If you found us from an online search, you came to the right place. Please give us 2 minutes to explain why.
In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install the NVIDIA SHIELD Kodi build in your device. In your NVIDIA SHIELD, or your Amazon FIRESTICK, or your Android TV box. So, yesterday I reviewed Surge Kodi build, but the sad news is the Looking Glass repository went off due to a copyright claim, and the developers are quiet the repo, so it's not working, and the account is suspended. If you go to the source, you will see the account is suspended, so it's not working anymore. That's really a bad and sad news for community, for Kodi community and Kodi builds lovers and add-ons lovers, and that's it. So we wish that all these things are not getting worse than yesterday, and in the future. We wish that everything goes to the normal, everything back to the normal. So to install this NVIDIA Kodi build, you got to go here to settings and click here on file manager, then click on add source, on copy and paste the address, or just save it. You can tape it, so, or copy and paste better. So here put aDDONs, aDDON wizard, click OK, then back one more time, then scroll down to add-ons, click on this little box here, install from zip file, then go to settings. If you're new to Kodi and your device is empty, you have anything on it, allow the unknown sources, then click yes and back, then click on install from zip file, then go to the file aDDON wizard, click on plugin program aDDON wizard.zip. So we are so sad to hear that news, and so it's really heartbroken. We are heartbroken because Looking Glass having a lot of amazing working Kodi add-ons and Kodi builds to enjoy with your friends, family, and so we wish that in the near future they are coming back stronger with new sources and new things. So that's it. And after installing this aDDON wizard, go back. You got it here in program add-ons, click on it and open it. So here you got the home page. Here you have builds, maintenance, save data, and settings. Click on aDDON builds. Then you got Leo builds, the 18 version. You have aDDON Ultimate for your Xbox One. If you wanna install this for your Xbox One, you install aDDON Ultimate build. You can get it here, version 1. You can get also Bello Nero build for Kodi 18 for your Xbox. But here I'm talking about the aDDON NVIDIA build Krypton version 1.1 for the NVIDIA SHIELD or the Amazon FIRESTICK or Android TV box. So click on it. So I got the aDDON wizard updated. So if you have a previous build installed in your device, just do a fresh install. If you have anything and your Kodi is empty, as I got it, click on standard install. So, and click yes, install. So you're gonna back after the download is completed and show you the extraction files method, and then force close and restart the Kodi to make it work and getting the NVIDIA Kodi build working on my device. So here we got it. The download is completed. Now it's extraction the files for aDDON NVIDIA build Krypton version 1.1. So the sad thing is that stream is not working, and Placenta also, and StarTech Kodi add-on. So all of these Kodi add-ons are down, are shutting down with the Looking Glass repo, and Pyramid also. So we wish to get new Kodi add-ons to replace this great and amazing Kodi add-ons working on 2018. So we don't worry, guys. We will get the latest and most working ones. I promise you to provide you and to review for you and give you the most working Kodi add-ons on Saturday. I'm gonna search and find the most working and the stable Kodi add-ons for you guys. Don't worry. So here we got aDDON NVIDIA build installed. So after extracting the files, it's gonna ask you to force close your Kodi and restart it again to enjoy the build. So as you can see here, to rule out profiles and things, so click on force close here. So guys, after installing NVIDIA Kodi build, you got this homepage. As you can see here, you got the movies section, you got the movies widgets popping up here. As you can see here, guys, with me. So let's try anyone. Try Jumanji one. So here you got the links. Let's try another link. So as you can see here, guys, it's working. Enjoy watching it. So this is the movies section. Here we got TV shows. So here the latest TV shows. You can enjoy them and try anyone and watch it. So let's pick anyone. The ground-ish. So here we got the pyramid, but the pyramid is not working anymore. It's down. I guess it's down. Yeah, it's sure it's down, and it's not working anymore. And we wish to We wish it to come back to us because it's a great Kodi add-on. It was the top in the top 5 because it was the first and the top trending Kodi add-ons. It's really a great. It's like gold, but we are so sad to lose this Kodi add-on and wish it back with another name. It's not a big deal. We can review it and share it, make it popular again. But I wish it to came back to life because it's really a great one to watch movies and TV shows from, and kids section also. So here you got it. It's working. It's back. And here you got sports. And you have UHD and 4K section. You got 4K movies here. A big library of 4K movies. Here we got kids. As you can see here, this is the most unstable Kodi build that I enjoyed it this February. It's really amazing one, fast and stable and working great on my device. So this is really a great Kodi build to install, and I suggest you guys to install this NVIDIA Kodi build in your device. It's not that popular, but it's a really amazing one. You can get it. Here we got apps, then here system, power, favorites, here we got music, here we got live TV. So here